Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the copyright safe free music, free sound and effects that you can use these with your video background with guarantee. Mean you can monetize your videos with these free music and sounds. So let's start the video. From your computer desktop, go to YouTube Studio. On the left side, you will see the dashboard line. Go down and click the YouTube audio library. On the left side, you can play the free music. On the right side, you can download the music for your videos. Here are two kinds of sounds in free music. Number one is attribution not required, and number two is attribution required. Attribution not required is have this like icon, and attribution required is have this CC like icon. Now, what is attribution required and what is attribution not required? When you click attribution required and click the CC icon, we will need to copy this text and we will need to put this text in our video description. This is attribution required. We can use attribution not required sounds and music for free without any attribution. When you click on the attribution not required, you will see this YouTube icon and you can download it for free. But on the right sound effects, you can play it and you can download it. This don't have any attribution required or any attribution not required.